Bonjour, thank you for joining me today. So aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre le passé composé. So today we're going to be learning passé composé, which can be translated to past, simple past, or the present perfect. So for example, the verb to eat can be I ate or I have eaten. So most times, past tense passé composé is used to talk about actions that occur in the past and ended in the past. And why do we call them composé? Verbs conjugated in the passé composé usually need an helper, which is called auxiliary. So passé composé is divided into two parts. We have auxiliary and we have past participle, which is participe passé. So to conjugate passé composé, we have auxiliaire plus participe passé. So talking about auxiliaire, nous avons deux auxiliaires. We have two auxiliary. We have avoir, être. Avoir is the present tense or the present présent de l'indicatif of the verb avoir. So avoir has to be conjugated au présent de l'indicatif. Être conjugated aussi au présent de l'indicatif. So, avoir conjugué au présent de l'indicatif ou être, le verbe être conjugué au présent de l'indicatif. Now, 90% of verbs would use avoir, while just two categories of verb would use the verb être. The first category would be Dr. Mrs. Vandertrap. Those are the special verbs. While the other category will be reflexive verbs. Now, participe passé avoir in the negation, passé composé au négatif, talking about passé composé in the negation would have ne or n apostrophe plus auxiliaire plus pas plus participe passé. So what does that tell us? That means the auxiliaire would just be, it's going to be sitting pretty in between the ne and the pas. So let's look at the participe passé. So participe passé here we have participe passé. We have for the first group of verb, what do we do to get our participe passé? We remove the er, we replace it with e accent aigu. For the second group of verb, we remove the ir and we replace it by I. And the third group of verb, we remove the re and we replace it by u. So this is what we are going to have. For example, we have j'ai aimé, tu as aimé, il, elle, on a aimé, nous avons aimé, vous avez aimé, ils, elles ont aimé. The second group of verb, this is what we're going to have. J'ai fini, tu as fini, il, elle, on a fini, nous avons fini, vous avez fini, ils, elles ont fini. And this is the third group of verb. Troisième groupe du verbe, excusez-moi, third group of verb, we have j'ai rendu, tu as rendu, il, elle, on a rendu, nous avons rendu, vous avez rendu, ils, elles ont rendu. So now let's look at questions with le passé composé. So for us to ask questions, this is the format. We have avoir plus sujet plus participe passé. So avoir would be avez-vous mangé ce matin? So here we're going to be doing questions par inversion du verbe et du sujet et du pronom personnel du sujet. So this is what we're going to have when we do inversion. So we have the avoir auxiliaire coming first. Then we have the sujet, pronom personnel du sujet next. And we have participe passé. Avez-vous mangé ce matin? As-tu oublié tes clés? Tes parents ont-ils vendu leur maison? So that's what we are going to have. Okay, so the next video would be the second part of le verbe, le verbe conjugué au passé composé. Merci bien.